Hello, I'm happy seeing you here again. We are at our WhatsApp status. Now we are learning about how to post pictures and videos. So this is where you will click it. Now after clicking it, you see that there is something like a picture here. I want to take a picture, right? And then you see all these tools also here, right? All these, they are all pictures and then videos from your gallery that WhatsApp automatically brings it up, okay, so that you can select from them and choose the one you want, post it. Okay, right, so let's take it as if you want to take an instant picture. Okay, you want to take a picture right away from maybe your phone, you can take it from here, right? Just click here, the picture will be taken, right? And then if you want to take a selfie too, you can also take a selfie. That is your personal picture of yourself. Just click the camera button here, it will change, okay, to the front camera so that you take it yourself. If you don't want that one but you want to post pictures that you're already having, so you select from this gallery, right? You just scroll, okay, then it will be displayed for you to select from them. So let's take it as you want to post a picture, maybe this picture, click on it. Then when you click on it, you want to edit it before you post it, right? So we have so many tools here that you can select from, so many tools here. Let's learn one after the other. The first one, this is the pencil. You click on the pencil, you can use it to draw anything that you want it to be drawn on the picture. For instance, I've clicked the pencil, maybe I want to draw something. You see, I can draw anything literally, and if I don't want it, you can just go back, just click this, it will go back. Okay, so you can also decide to change the colors that you'll be using to draw by maybe you click here, you see the color will change. Okay, the color at the background of the pencil will change. If you click here, the color will change. It is telling you that is the color will be used when you are using it to draw. Okay, you can draw on whatever picture you're having. So maybe I choose this and then I want to use it to draw. Wow. If you don't like it, delete it. You can use it to draw. Wow. If I don't like it, I can use this, use it to draw, or even write. Hey, okay, right. So this is one of the tools. The next tool is maybe you don't want to use the pencil, you don't want to draw anything on the picture, you rather want to type something on it, right? Just click on the T here. It will give you access to type whatever you want to type. Okay, so let me type hello, right? Good. You see the color? I can decide to change the color of the text too. Just be clicking the colors here. Okay, then choose the one that you prefer. You can change it to any color that you want. Okay, right. So aside this one, there is other too. You can add stickers to your picture. Okay, stickers. Okay, stickers, right? So these are all stickers that you can add. So when you click this one, it sends you to your WhatsApp stickers. Every sticker you're having on your WhatsApp will be displayed here. This is very lovely. Every sticker you're having will be displayed here. And if it is not sticker that you want but you want emojis too, you can click here. All the emojis will be displayed for you to choose from them, right? So we have stickers. Let's take it as I want this sticker. You see, I've clicked it and you can post it here. I see you. Click it. Hey, I don't want that one. I want the sticker. Hey, you get it? I don't want that one. I want a different sticker. You see? I've added 3 stickers, right? Good. So I don't want them. I want to add emojis. Let me go back. I want emojis. Okay, then come here. I want emojis. You can add so many emojis, so many emojis, so many emojis. I want this one. You click it, you add, you can drag it, you can even expand it, right? You can make it big, you can make it small, you can make it, oh my gosh. Okay, so maybe I want this. You see it? Good. So you just tap it. You can make it big, make it small. You can move it to anywhere that you want. you can move it anywhere that you want. Okay, you can literally move it anywhere that you want. Okay, another feature too that we have, you see this one, that is the undo button, right? You can use it to go back and whatever. This one I've showed you already. Okay, good. So let's take it as it is not this one that you want to edit, right? You want to edit the actual picture. You want to edit it, you want to crop it, okay, before you send it. You can use this feature here, right? So when you click it, you see that something like a grid line has been displayed here. It is telling you that you can now edit the picture. Okay, so you just now edit it. Okay, you can edit it. Okay, you can edit it. Then if you think how you have cropped it is okay, then you click on done. You see, now I've changed it. And I can be adding any sticker or emoji that I want. Any sticker or emoji that I want, right? Good, it's so lovely. And another thing is that when you click here, you click on the emoji or the sticker, you see there is a search tool here. Okay, so you can click on the search and type whatever you want to type, whatever you want to search for. If it is about love, you click love, anything about love will be displayed, right? Then you select from them. You click here, you search if it is about love. Anything about love will be displayed here. You get it? This is another nice feature that you can use. Okay, so you can also type whatever you want to type. Good, so you can add anything that you want to add to it. So after you have finished with everything, then you click on the send. You see that it will be sent, and this picture will be on your status having this text under it, right? Okay, so if you don't want it, you can clear it, or you can even edit it and add more pictures there. Or you can also see this button, click it. When you click it, it will take you to the gallery again, and you can add additional pictures. Okay, you can add additional pictures and then videos if you want. So let's take it as I want to select I want to select this picture. Okay, I've selected it and it has been marked, right? So I want to add another one. I've selected this. You see it has been marked, so I have 3 pictures now, right? Good. So you click on it. Now this is the next picture, this is the other picture. You see, good. So you can select thousands and tons of pictures and post them at the same time. You can select from them, you edit. Okay, you select, you can edit. Do you see it? You can add any text, you can add any emoji. Yeah, you can add it. You see it? Great. And then this one too, thank you. You can edit it any way you want, right? Let's get back. So let's take it as over here. After typing the text, maybe hello, I want to edit it. I want to edit this text too. You can also edit it here. Just tap it, and then you have the options here to either bold it or just tap it, select it, you highlight, click the 3 dots, you can italize it or do whatever that you want to do. Okay, so these are the other features, and if you don't want them, just click on this the trash bin, right? It will clear them, it will be deleted. You don't want to post them again, you have deleted them, right? So let's say there's not pictures that you want to upload videos, right? You want to send a video on your status, just click on the button here. Okay, when you click it, you see that it will still take you to your gallery, and let's this video, you want this video, you want this video, you want this video, you want this video. Good, so this is the video that you want, and then you click OK. It will be marked, you click OK. After clicking on it, that one too, you can decide to edit it. This is a GIF, right? You can also add videos if you want to edit it. That too, you can still edit it. Hey, why? So You see, you can edit it. You can take it to any place you want. You can also make it small or big using your two hands. Okay, using your two hands, you can make it small or big, right? And you can also change the colors. Okay, you can also change the colors. Okay, good. And then you can also decide to, let's take it as you don't want this one. You go back. Okay, and then you want to type. You don't want to use the pencil to draw anything. You can still click that text and then you type. Okay, good. So after that too, you can also make it bigger or small. Okay, any way you want it, wherever you want it. And then if you want to change the colors too, you can change it. You see, now it's looking so lovely. We are editing GIF. You can also add emojis and stickers, same on the GIFs as we did on the pictures and other stuff. So these are the tricks.